Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn why it is very important or importance of saving money. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of saving money. Saving money is crucial for several reasons. Number one, emergency fund. Having savings allows you to handle unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden unemployment without relying on loans or credit cards. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net, offering peace of mind during challenging times. Number two, financial security. Saving money provides a sense of security for the future, whether it is saving for retirement, buying a house, or pursuing further education. Having a financial cushion ensures you can achieve your long-term goals without financial strain. Number four, debt management. Savings can help you avoid or reduce debt. By having money set aside, you're less likely to rely on credit cards or loans for everyday expenses or emergency, thereby avoiding high interest debt that can be difficult to pay off. Number four, opportunity fund. Savings enables you to seize opportunities when they arise, whether it's investing in stocks, starting a business, or taking advantage of a great deal. Having money saved up allows you to capitalize on opportunities that could enhance your financial situation. Number five, peace of mind. Knowing you have money saved up for emergencies and future goals reduces stress and anxiety about financial matters. It provides a sense of control over finances and allows you to focus on other aspects of your life. Number nine, retirement planning. Saving early and consistently for retirement ensures you can maintain your standard of living once you stop working, whether through employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401ks or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Saving money now ensures a comfortable retirement later. Number seven, financial independence. Saving money is a key step towards achieving financial independence. By building up your savings, you reduce reliance on others and gain more control over your financial future. Financial independence gives you the freedom to make choices based on your preferences rather than financial constraints. Overall, saving money is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about securing your financial future, reducing stress, and providing opportunities for growth and stability. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of saving money. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.